Imagine making $10 million in cash. Sounds great, until you realize you can't spend it. You can't deposit it. You can't invest it. You can't buy property without questions, because it's dirty. This is where money laundering begins. Today, we're breaking down how money laundering actually works, step by step. No glorification, no fantasy, just the real mechanics. What is money laundering? Money laundering is the process of turning illegally obtained money into clean money that appears legitimate. It's used in drug trafficking, human trafficking, cybercrime, corruption, and fraud schemes. Globally, trillions are laundered every year. But how does it actually work? There are 3 core stages. Stage 1. Placement. This is the most dangerous stage. It's when dirty cash first enters the financial system. What criminals try to do: deposit cash into banks, use cash-heavy businesses, break large amounts into smaller deposits. This technique is called structuring or smurfing. Common fronts: laundromats, restaurants, car washes, casinos. Why? Because they already handle large volumes of cash. If a restaurant reports $20,000 in daily revenue, who checks every plate sold? Stage 2. Layering. This is where things get complex. Layering equals creating distance between the crime and the money. The goal? Make the money impossible to trace. How it's done. Methods include transferring funds between multiple bank accounts, moving money across countries, converting cash into assets, watches, art, gold, using offshore companies. The more transactions, the harder it becomes to follow the trail. Modern schemes may involve shell companies, fake invoices, crypto transactions, international wire transfers. At this stage, the paper trail becomes a maze. Stage 3. Integration. Now the money returns, but this time it looks clean. Where it reappears. It may show up as real estate investments, business profits, luxury purchases, consulting fees. At this point, it's extremely difficult to prove it was ever illegal. The money has been washed. Modern money laundering. It's no longer just suitcases of cash. Digital laundering now includes cryptocurrency mixers, online gambling platforms, e-commerce refund scams, NFT wash trading. Cybercrime groups combine digital fraud with traditional laundering methods. The system evolves, so do investigations. How they get caught? Money laundering leaves patterns. Red flags include structuring deposits under reporting limits, sudden wealth without clear income source, complex offshore structures, inconsistent financial records. Banks use AI systems. Governments share intelligence. Financial task forces track suspicious flows. Investigations take years, but they build silently. Most laundering networks collapse because someone talks, someone makes a mistake, someone gets greedy. Money laundering isn't about luxury. It's about fear. Because no matter how complex the scheme, money always leaves a trail. This was Underworld Explained, Episode 2. Next episode, how cartels move billions without banks. Subscribe if you want the reality behind the shadows.